Hey guys, welcome to vdhacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss lateral surface area of triangular prism. So now let me explain this concept using a rough diagram over here. So here we have a simple closed figure in which we have three side portions and a base portion. So totally we have four surfaces, and then base of the simple closed figure is in the form of a triangle, so we name such figure as the triangular prism. So then let us consider the perimeter of the base of the triangular prism and then the height of the triangular prism in order to find the lateral surface area. So hence the lateral surface area is given by the formula perimeter of the base of the prism into its height. And now let us proceed and discuss few examples on this formula. So here the given example is calculate the lateral surface area of triangular prism of sides 15 cm, 20 cm and 25 cm and the height 40 cm. So here we are given with the sides, that is 15 here, then 20 and 25 of the base of the prism. So first let us calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle is given by the formula, that is sum of all the sides. So here we can see sum of all the sides as 15 plus 20 plus 25. So that implies by adding all the sides we get the result as 60 centimeters, which is the perimeter, and given the height as 40 centimeters. And we already know that lateral surface area of the triangular prism is given by the formula perimeter into height, and then substituting the value of perimeter and height in the formula we get 60 into 40, and then by multiplying we get the product as 2400 square centimeters as the lateral surface area of triangular prism. And now let us proceed and discuss another example. So here the given example is if perimeter of the triangular prism is equal to 40 centimeters and the lateral surface area is equal to 3600 square centimeters, then find height. And here we already know that lateral surface area is given by the formula perimeter into height, and then substituting the values of perimeter and lateral surface area in the formula we get 3600, which is equal to the perimeter 40 into the height h, and then transferring 40 to the left hand side we get h equal to 3600 by 40. And now let us simplify this. So here 41 times is 40 and 90 times is 3600. So we get here height is equal to 90 centimeters. So at last we can conclude this by saying the lateral surface area of a triangular prism is given by the formula perimeter of the base of the prism into height. So this was the basic introduction on lateral surface area of triangular prism. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdhacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.